It's going to be a demo on Intersect. I'm going to use the line command multiple times, so I'm going to double click it. I'm going to create a line from, let's go from this point to this point over here. Select OK. From this point up here, point number 1, to the last point I created, which would be point number 4. Select OK. Again, we're just following the prompts. It's asking for point number 1. I'll select this point as point number 1. God, sometimes. Select that point as point number 1. It's asking for point number 2. I'll grab this point down here. There are 3 lines I just created. Oh, this offset here is for some reason set to some weird number. So it's going beyond that. I want to change that to 0. I'll cancel the next line. The good thing about the CATIA is when you create a line and you realize you did something wrong, you can always double click a line and modify it. We'll change this offset here to 0. I just hit tab so you can see it. If you hit enter, it's just going to automatically do it. So we'll select OK. See how this line's coming out too far past the point? I'm going to double click this. Change that to 0. The reason why I'm creating these lines is so I can create a point at the intersection of these 2 lines. Intuitively, with any other CAD system I've used, I go to the point command and I would use point intersect. For whatever reason, point intersect does not exist here. So I'm going to cancel this and show you how to create the point at the intersection of these 2 lines here. We're going to use the function called intersect. By using intersect, you can get curved lines or points. In this case, I'll get a point because the 2 lines where they intersect is an end result of a point. So I select intersect. And let's take a look at what the options say in the pop-up window. The first element is to select a line. The second element, select another line. The result will be an, ooh, what happened? Make sure that's highlighted and grab the second line. The result will be an intersection. I'm going to pick point and select OK. Go down the tree and see where that landed. It shows up as an intersection. That is an intersection point. We could use that intersection to create a circle. I'll just go back to diameter, radius, and go to diameter, whole circle, and use that plane. So I pick this plane, select OK. All right. The good thing about CATIA, if you want to change anything, you can. If I double click this, that pop-up window comes back and the diameter comes up, and I could double click that and type in 2. I can hit tab. If I hit the up arrow, it goes to 3. If I hit the down arrow, it goes back down to 2. Select OK. Let's create one more circle at this intersection point. See how tough it is to grab the intersection? So I'm just going to go down the tree and find intersect. And this time I'm going to create a plane on the fly. This is called the common tools. I'm going to demo the next one.